friends, it's Mia and
Reckon.
Today we're here at Epcot to do a little pin trading at night. So come along and join us and let's see how good we do at night. So pin trading tonight here at Epcot is going to be pretty quick because we don't have much time, about an hour and a half. So let's head on in to Disney Pin Traders first. Here's the pin board at Disney Pin Traders. Nothing for us. Nope, nothing. Our next stop is going to be Gateway Gifts. I don't see any pin boards here at Spaceship Earth, and there's usually one here, but Gateway Gifts should have their pin board out. Here's the pin board at Gateway Gifts. I don't see anything for us. We picked up 2 pin packs. We are going to open them sometime in this video. But right now we have to move at a quick pace. Guest relations, we're not going to even bother with guest relations. They never really have anything that great. Maybe we should stop in. All right, let's go. Here's the pin board at guest relations. I don't see anything for us, but thank you very much. Of course. Yeah. Like I said, nothing at guest relations. I think we're gonna head under the creation shop because I wanna see if some of the pin traders are there today because I have some of my better pins with me. I wanna see if they wanna trade with me today. So I'm gonna be trading with the guests here today. So this is what I traded for next to the creation shop. It's the Mickey fan pin and the Pooh Jack-in-the-Box. And what I gave her, which she really wanted, was a limited edition pin from Flower and Garden 2020, but that's okay. I needed these pins anyway, and I just didn't need that pin. So the Donald Halloween, that one, I traded a Food and Wine 2020 mystery box pin, and it was mini. Now we're gonna head into Treasures of Xander, right here by Gardens of the Galaxy. Let's see what their pin board has for us here. Hopefully something good. I already pulled a pin off this board, and I'm going to show you what I traded for. This is what I traded in, and I'll show you what I picked up. We did very well at Treasures of Xander. So these are the pins I picked up. It's Snow White, Dopey, and Dumbo. Trash can. Trash can pins. I can't believe I'm trading for trash can pins. We're going to the Advanced Training Lab to do a little pin trading here at Mission Space. Here's the pin board at Mission Space.
Did you want to receive?
We picked up this Tower of Terror pin. It says, "Please do not disturb," with Mickey on it. And we picked up these Jack-in-the-Box pins from guests. So we did some guest trading again. And we have Marie and we have Jiminy. So now we're going to be stopping in Port of Entry. I can see from here that the pin board has nothing for us here today. Okay, you guys, we are in Canada. You never really find anything in the Canada Pavilion. But you know what? We'll just stop here real quick. You never know, you never know. Here's the pin board in Canada, and it looks like there's nothing for us. Like I said, I never find anything in Canada. We are walking fast because we have about 30 minutes. Everything is a hit or miss, especially at night. But it's so much fun to pin trade at night because you get to talk to the guests and you know, you get to pin trade with the guests and get some great pins. So don't feel discouraged if the Disney boards are full of fake pins. You know, there was a pin, even the cast member was like, "What is this?" There was a pin that wasn't even Disney on the board. I don't put fake pins on the board. No. If by any chance I pick up a fake pin thinking it was real and find out it's fake, I get rid of it. I don't put it back on the board. No. Here's the pin board in the UK.
It's escaped my brain.
We are going to skadoodle to France. I don't know. I'm thinking truly that I'm not going to find anything in France. But, you know, when you think like that, sometimes you find it, so you might as well stop and look. Here's the pin board at the France Pavilion. I don't see anything for us, so we're going to be moving along. So, my friends, I want to let you guys know something. Say a guest has a pin that you want, and I'm going to let you guys know ahead of time. You are not allowed to offer them any money for that pin or extra money here in the parks, because they can take your annual pass. Now, if you don't have an annual pass, same rule, but I don't know. Anyway, but if the cast member hears that, they can ask for your pass and take your pass if you try to pay someone for a pin that they have. Okay, so I don't know if anybody ever mentioned that before, but I thought I'd mention it. Okay, so we got as far as the France Pavilion. Then it was hard to get through because the fireworks and water show is going to start like in a few minutes. So what we're going to do now is go to the Connections Cafe and get something yummy for Ricky to review. So we're here in the Connections Cafe, and what we're going to do is get something for Ricky to review, and I'm also going to open up some pins I picked up. So do a little unpinning, unboxing. Anyway, so hang on in with us because we're going to try something so yummy. So friends, if you plan on coming here at night, this is the most challenging pin search, challenging to get desserts. A lot of them are sold out. The one we wanted to try was sold out. Expect that if you're coming at night. During the day you won't have an issue usually, but at night you will. But this is the new chocolate shake, and this is just your standard cake. And because they didn't have the new one that Ricky wanted to try with the Mickey and the whipped cream, they gave this to Ricky tonight. So he's gonna try it and let you guys know what he thinks of this delicious treat. And the name is on the screen because I do not know how to pronounce it. So this chocolate cake, not the one he wanted to try, but this one comes in all chocolate and the vanilla. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the chocolate shake first, okay? I'm gonna give it a try and pass it to Ricky. Very thick, very chocolatey, very delicious. That's a good chocolate shake. None of that McDonald's. Tastes like Ghirardelli type of chocolate. Good chocolate. And now, oh yes. Oh, it's delicious. Everything's delicious. Thanks, Drew. Thank you so much. God bless you, okay? Thank you. So I was talking to the cast member. She's so sweet. She's the one that gave Ricky the cake because it sold out. The one Ricky wanted sold out, so she gave us this cake. It is so delicious. Ricky already ate his, and I'm still working on mine. But as you see, there's a little hand over here, little hand that won't let me finish it. Do you want it? Can you say? What do you say? What do you say?
I say.
What do you say?
I can say much more chocolate, please.
Chocolate, please?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to pass it to him. I highly recommend this cake. It's delicious. Next time we're here, I think we're going to try the vanilla one and see how that goes. She says like there's almond in the middle of the vanilla one because these cakes are made with a lot of layers. And the machine, there's one machine here, but the machine is like very rare. So that's why you don't see this type of cake everywhere. So anyway, we highly recommend it. It's delicious. You recommend it, yes or no? Thumbs up or down? Big thumbs up, big thumbs up. Okay, you guys, we're gonna do some unboxing. Today we have 2 mystery packs and we're gonna get ready to open them, and what they are the slippers. So let's see what Disney pins are here inside these packs. Pack number 1. Oh. Here we go. I'm gonna try not to look, all right, you guys? Here we go. That is Mickey, Saucer Mickey. Mystery pack number 2. Okay, hold on. Such class. Anyway. All right, here we go. We're gonna open it up. Did we get someone good? You guys take a look for me, take a look for me. Tell me who it is, tell me who it is, tell me who it is. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Oh, Pooh. Is that Pooh? Yeah, it's Pooh. It's Pooh Bear. It's Pooh Bear. Okay, well, that'll do it for us. These are the first slipper pins we've ever purchased. We don't have any in our collection, so yeah, maybe we'll pick up some more another time. So here are all the pins for today. I know we didn't get to go around all over, but from the mystery pack, Pooh and Mickey. Then we did some trading with guests, and that's how we got all these pins, except for this one right here, which was on the board. The Hollywood Studios Tower of Terror, please do not disturb sign. But that's all. We're gonna get ready to close out now. Here's what's fun, cast members! Woo! Cast members, the best! Woo! Now that is what's fun about coming here to Epcot at night. It's those cast members. Come on, you guys, let's give them a hand. So what did you guys learn today? We learned that pin trading at night is not as easy as pin trading during the day. It's a lot cooler though, I'll tell you that much. It's really nice tonight. But there's advantages to pin trading at night too. You get to meet people and you can pin trade with the guests, and that's a lot of fun. And you can do that during the day too. So we opened some mystery packs, right, Rick? We tried some treats, and now we're off to our home. And we just want to say goodnight to you guys, and we appreciate everybody. And we'll see you in the next video.
Real soon.
Real soon. Bye, everybody. We love you. Bye-bye.